this visit to the Queen Mary, we were going to be having breakfast at the Promenade Cafe. We had learned that there is an option called off-hours admission. It is available daily, and there are different time periods, 6:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. and 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. So we were going to eat breakfast at the buffet and then use the off-hours admission and tour the ship. So as you can see, we had a delicious buffet breakfast. The service was amazing. The breakfast selections were awesome. The coffee was fresh and delicious, and there were also options for juice and tea. So we asked the maitre d' about the off-hours admission tickets, and she didn't seem to understand what we were talking about and said, just wander around when you're done with your breakfast. So that was even better. I believe the buffet was about $28 per person. So when you take into account that you can then tour the Queen Mary, this was a great option. We did not need to stop for breakfast on the way up. We just had our reservation through Open Table and then showed our reservation at the entry. They directed us to the restaurant, checked in, had our breakfast, and then took our tour of the ship. It was a self-guided tour.